Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Instagram's reel feed. If you're using Instagram and you want to reset your Instagram feed, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your Instagram app. In the app, you have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots in the top right corner, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to look for the content preferences option. Simply tap on it, and here you have to select the reset suggestion content, and then you have to select the next option, and from here you have to select the reset suggestion content, and then tap on this option again. And once you have reset it, your all content of your feed will be reset. It will include your post, reels, and much more. So you must have to reset first, and once you have reset it, now you have to search for the specific category of the reels or the posts which you want to watch. For example, if you are a nature lover, so you must have to like this type videos. You have to like and follow the persons. So if you want to search for, or if you want that your feed might be have only of your match or cricket or sports videos, so you must have to go for search, and here you have to simply search for the sports reels, and then once you have searched anything, you will get the reels or posts with the specific category. So in this way you can easily reset your Instagram reel feed, and you can easily create a new feed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.